Just because she was overweight, her boyfriend denied their relationship in front of everyone. When Mary heard this, she felt deeply hurt. She wanted everything to stop and jumped from a height, but she survived and woke up the next morning. When she reached home, Mary cried a lot. A few months earlier, Mike had been drinking, and that night the two had gotten close. The next morning, Mary woke up early. She put on makeup to impress Mike, but when Mike didn't like it, she removed it. Her honesty and simple nature touched Mike's heart. Mike told her they should live together. Mary was so happy. Mike even called her his wife, which felt like a dream to her. Mike was a boxer who wanted to return to the ring. Seeing him sad, Mary decided to help. She even bought him another chance to fight. When the deal was confirmed, Mike called her with the good news. Mary immediately started cooking healthy meals for him. She didn't have much money, but still bought expensive shrimp because Mike liked it. Mary worked hard every day to support their relationship. She passed out pamphlets, cooked food, and did everything she could. Finally, Mike reached the right weight for the match. He lifted Mary happily, but didn't notice that her foot hit the table hard. One day, Mary brought food for him like always. She saw Mike's opponent offering him money to lose the fight. As soon as Mary walked in, Mike tried explaining, saying he would never earn that much money even in many fights. Mary stayed quiet for a while, then softly said they should go home. But Mike shouted at her in anger. In front of everyone, he said she was only his trainee, not his girlfriend, and that moment broke their relationship. Mary's past was also painful. Her ex had run away with her best friend, and now that same friend had invited her to their wedding. Even though it hurt, Mary still went. Because of all these painful moments, Mary felt broken inside. After her failed jump, she saw a poster. The words on it woke her up and gave her new hope. She went straight to a gym. People told her she was too big to train, but Mary didn't listen. She ran every day. She trained whenever she had free time. She had only one wish: to win at least once. No matter how tired she got or how many mean comments she heard, Mary didn't stop. Her application was rejected again and again, but she never gave up. Slowly, she got better and stronger. And after one whole year,